All right, I'm at the busting up of the tile stage. It's thick. I'd say at least 5/8, maybe 3/4 inch. I guess you can kind of see the thickness down in here, and it's just basically that's all. Oops, sorry. You just pound away. You can start anywhere. I don't know if I covered this or not. It seems counterproductive, or it seems like you shouldn't do it. But really, all you do is you can start anywhere on your bathroom floor, and you just all the way until it gets through, and it'll break. Don't worry. Now, if this is like on a ground floor or something like that, you could use like a sledgehammer or chipper, but this is on the 3rd floor of my house. And I do not want to break the floor joists, so it's going to be one swat at a time with a hammer to try to not break the floor joists. One thing that people don't have on DIY projects is time. So if you have time, what I would recommend is don't overdo it. Do a little bit at a time. I did this one day. It took an hour or so. I'm going to do, I think there's the vents right there. I'm not going to mess with that yet. So I'm going to do like right in there, and then probably that much today, and then just slowly go at it, because it's just a lot of that. And then you got to sweep it up, and you got to put it in a bucket, and you got to bring it outside. So if you have to do it in one day, hopefully you got some young people helping you, young, strong backs. So yeah, maybe I'll set it over there. I'll pound that a little bit, and then we'll come back tomorrow wherever I'm at. So this is probably gonna be horrible footage, but I gotta grab my glasses. Couple things not to forget. Couple things not to forget. If you can open up a window, do it. If you can close the door and stuff a door, the door to the outside, the hallway, your bedroom, wherever. If you can stuff a towel under the crack, you don't want dust going in there. Put on your safety glasses and your dust mask. It's a little bit easier once you get it started. So once you get that center square started, as you go around the edges, it gets easier. So, fun.